Fast, compact, and powerful, GAN chargers are changing the way we power up our devices. Today, it's a charging duel between two heavy hitters, the Anker 737 GAN Prime 120 watt and the Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt. Which one gives you the most power for your money? Let's find out in this 2025 Charger Showdown. Design and build quality. Starting with design, both chargers look sleek and premium. The Anker 737 is slightly larger but packs a massive 120 watts of total output. It's built with Anker's signature foldable plug, solid housing, and Active Sheet 2.0 thermal safety system. The Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt, on the other hand, keeps things minimal and portable. It's lighter, still has foldable prongs, and fits easily into your travel pouch, ideal for digital nomads or students on the go. Performance and charging power. Now let's talk performance, and this is where things get interesting. The Anker 737 GAN Prime features Power IQ 4.0 technology, which dynamically redistributes power across its two USB-C and one USB-A port. You can charge a MacBook, iPhone, and iPad all at once without throttling. When used solo, one port can deliver up to 100 watts, easily powering even 16-inch MacBooks. The Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt also offers two USB-C and one USB-A port. It supports PD 3.1 and PPS fast charging standards, making it compatible with laptops, phones, and tablets. But with a total output of 100 watts, it falls a little short when charging three power-hungry devices simultaneously. In real-world use, Anker stays cooler under heavy load thanks to its superior thermal control, while Ugreen may get warm if you are maxing it out for longer sessions. Price and value for money. So what about the price tag? On Amazon, the Anker 737 GAN Prime 120 watts sells for around $69.99, while the Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt is priced slightly higher at about $74.99. That means Anker actually delivers more power for less money. Ugreen's advantage is its slimmer design and lighter weight, but performance-wise, Anker wins in both power delivery and stability. Verdict and call to action. So here is the final verdict. If you need maximum wattage, better thermal management, and multi-device charging power, go for the Anker 737 GAN Prime 120 watt. It's the clear productivity champion. But if portability and style matter most, and you are mostly charging a laptop plus phone combo, the Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt will serve you perfectly. Tell us in the comments which one would you buy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech battles and comparison reviews every day. Please use the link given in the description if you want to buy any product.